Alright, good morning from the east coast of Spain and welcome to our attempt at cycling around Europe. We are not off to a phenomenal start. In Barcelona, my GoPro was robbed and that had all the footage from Bilbao to Barcelona, so that's never going to be seen. And right now, Dunny is on his bike, gone back down to the beach because he lost his phone last night. So yeah, I suppose that's just one of the things that happens when you go travelling, you know, these things happen. There's nothing you can do about it, you just have to get on with it. So hopefully Dunny finds his phone. If not, he's probably gonna have to buy a new one. The plan today was to cycle for like 4 hours, but I doubt that's gonna happen because, you know, we're gonna be in such phenomenal humour. I suppose enough complaining, let's get into the video. We believe we have found Ben's phone. It's come up on like Find My iPhone. And then the guy that was working in like the campsite restaurant was like, oh, 1 second, and like asked somebody and said that it's kind of like a dodgy area. Let's see how we go, I guess. Try to get it back anyway. Yeah, a bit of a dodgy area, to be fair. Your mom was right. And it's somewhere like in there. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, to be honest.
We're a fair few funny looks, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. Maybe we should make our way down this hill. Yeah, it's gonna be fair hard. There's just so many houses. So we were actually out here last night. Like, really good nightlife. Seems like no matter where you go in Spain, you'll always find a good night out. And they're all sound as well, apart from the ones that rob your phones, I suppose. But you get that everywhere, don't you? We were out last night and someone robbed your phone. We have it on like Find My iPhone, but the area we were in, yeah, it's like an apartment block, yeah.
The next door.
Oh, lo siento.
And in here, trying to get the serial number for the phone. And then I'm not sure how to get it afterwards, but it's not working now.
No. This Apple ID is not associated with your lost device. What the fuck does that mean?
It's been wiped.
You can do that?
I don't know. For your sake, I hope not. Okay, I have left Dunny with my phone so he can get the serial number for his one off his parents. So hopefully he doesn't lose mine as well. He won't, but that would be quite funny if he did. I'm gonna go back and chill in the pool. I've gotten over the fact that my GoPro is gone, so I'm just gonna go relax. Let's go do that. Alright, left the campsite and we're gonna make our way towards Sils. It's about 3 hours away, so see how we go. But yeah, back on the road. Like that, cycling along, beach right beside you, in Spain, weather's unreal. Ah, so nice. Alright, coming into the town of Calella, I presume is how you pronounce it. So we'll stop in here, get a drink, maybe get something to eat. Yeah, it's been such a nice cycle so far. Just stopped for a bit of food there. Just got a sandwich and a coffee, and now gonna throw some more sun cream on. Might try start a little bit earlier from now on because it just gets so warm in the middle of the day. There's no point in me telling you every day where we're gonna be because we actually don't know. So just gonna take it as it comes, I guess. Even though the towns are like beautiful and stuff, this is sort of what I imagined when we decided to do this. Right, quick interruption. I'm back home, as you can tell by the grey Irish clouds behind me. If you too enjoy the outdoors, whether it be cycling, backpacking, kayaking, basically any outdoor sports, you need to check out the sponsor of this video, Decathlon. They were very kind and they sent me out loads of really good stuff. They sent me out like my sleep system, bike bags, water bottles, spare bits. Honestly, thank you so much. The quality of their stuff for the price point, you can't beat it. So if you're planning on doing a trip similar to this, or just planning on getting outside, check out Decathlon. Unreal stuff. Now, back to the video. Right, we've made it to the town of Lannis. Dunny's just ringing his mother, trying to figure out how we can get a phone over here. Yeah, not sure, might stay here, might push on. It is only like 2:30. We've done like 30k, so it'd be nice to knock out a few more kilometers, get a little bit closer to the French border. But yeah, seems very much like a holiday town. Mightn't be great for the bike, but amazing for the mind. I think my back wheel is worse for wear after that gravel stint. These climbs are so like long and gradual. It's just breaks your spirit. Like, I'm going nowhere. Oh, we'll pull over up here into some shade maybe. Get an old drink. It's still going, like it doesn't seem like much, but over say a kilometer kind of adds up, you know. It's nice to get the downhill on the other side. Oh man. So this is where we are. It's like a free car park for campers, but we've just pitched our tents. Happy days. We've got free electricity here. And the couple next door to us, Spanish couple, so nice. We were chatting to them and they were saying that their table and chairs got robbed the other night, so we're gonna fix up our bikes here. We've like got the chain going around them, we've got like a bungee cord going in underneath my tent. Dunny's got the leg of his going through his spokes. So fair play if you rob them tonight, but yeah, please don't. That would not be hectic. A phone, a GoPro, and 2 bikes gone in a week. That would be something going. That would be like cause to fly home. But yeah, this is home for the night. Get up tomorrow, head up to Sills. It's only like a 15-minute cycle. Get some breakfast and hop on the EuroVelo 8 back down to the coast. Ben's mother is going to be able to send him out a phone as well, so we'll find somewhere to pitch up for like 2 or 3 days until that arrives. Oh yeah, my wheel's so buckled. We were looking at it there. It's definitely going to need some attention when we get down to the coast. This is like the stuff like when you try and do a budget, and obviously we're trying to do this on like €1,000, €1,500. This is like stuff that you don't really like take into consideration, or stuff that is hard to like calculate. You know, I was going like, I think I said like a €10 or €20 a week for like repairs, but that's probably going to be a bit more than €20 now, to be honest. So yeah, this is camp, and catch you in the morning. Alright, as you can see, we've packed up and left camp. Right now we are on our way to Sills, and then we're going to hop onto the EuroVelo 8. But man, this is absolutely beautiful. Unreal. I don't think these roads are going to help my buckled wheel, but I actually don't care. This is exactly what I've wanted. Look at that, like. Just had a good feed of like avocado on toast and coffee, ready to attack the EuroVelo 8. So gonna hop onto that, follow it down to the coast. It's about an hour and 20, I think, to San Felix de something, don't know. So we're gonna go there. Listo? Listo. Right, let's get it. All right, and that's where we're going. San Feliu. Let's go. Hola. So let's see if it's like a cycle trail or a road. I imagine it's some sort of cycle trail. Oh. Let's go. It can be kind of tough to tell what way it's sending you, especially when you're on a bike and you're kind of just flying past it. But yeah, really nice so far. Alright, we've just pulled over in a bit of shade to get a drink of water. It's been like pretty hot and it's like midday kind of. So yeah, but this is basically what we're following. We're following these signs here, the EuroVelo 8. It's a little bit slow going on these kind of roads, but it's so much more beautiful. And then you kind of like bypass towns and stuff like that. So it's pretty handy. Yeah, gonna continue on this for another 15-20 kilometers all the way down to the coast. And like that, one night we're in a car park, the next night we're in a 4-star campgrounds. So this is the setup for the night. That's my stuff. I'm like drying a few things. There's Dunny's tent. To be honest, 4 stars. We did get the standard, but I'm not too happy that I can't get my pegs in the ground. I thought I'd be able to do that, but it's like, it's rock solid. You're not getting anything into that. I will show you around here, but I'll save that for tomorrow. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.